Most men think masturbation is the problem behind weak erections, low sensitivity, or bad performance. But the truth is, masturbation itself isn't the issue. It's the technique you've trained your body to depend on. And if you watch till the end, I'll reveal the one correction that resets your performance naturally, without quitting masturbation completely. Your brain adapts to how you stimulate yourself. If your technique is unnatural, too tight, too fast, too visual, your body stops responding to real skin and real intimacy. You didn't break yourself. You just trained the wrong pattern. Here are the habits doing the damage. 1. Death grip, using pressure tighter than anything you'd feel with a partner. 2. Porn dependency, needing intense visuals to feel aroused. 3. Rushing, going fast just to finish trains low stamina. 4. Long edging, staying aroused too long damages nerve response. Each one conditions your body away from natural arousal. These habits lead to weak erections, delayed ejaculation, low sensitivity, morning wood disappearing, needing porn to feel anything. It's not your hormones or age, it's conditioning. A lot of men go into panic mode and try things that don't help, quitting masturbation entirely. Going on, no fap streaks. Taking random supplements. Avoiding intimacy out of fear. None of that works if your nervous system is still trained to the wrong technique. Here's the real solution. You have to retrain your body. Start doing this instead. Use a lighter, natural grip. Stop leaning on porn. Slow the pace to match real intimacy. Change your body position. Finish without overstimulating. Most men notice stronger erections in 1 to 3 weeks. More sensation. Natural arousal without porn. Morning wood returning. And if you want to speed up erection recovery and sensitivity while you retrain your body, check out Eron Plus. It supports blood flow, libido, and performance naturally. I've dropped the link in the description so you can grab it while it's still available. Masturbation isn't the enemy, your technique is. Fix that, and everything else starts working again. Subscribe if you want the next video on rebuilding sensitivity step by step.